Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I was wondering, how short could a set of fire roll boards be? Let's cut a couple wafers off of this tulip poplar. It's about 2 inches in diameter, and try that out and see if that's enough surface area to get an ignition. Corona Razor 2 saw. So you might want to cut a set of boards to use on the ground. This would be some good information to have. Let's go ahead and make at least a 4-inch set of boards. How about this for my rolling surfaces? Let's try that. I went a little bit too far on that one. I had ignition, but then I snuffed it out. Let's see if I can get it right on this one. I smell it. I'm going to stop right when I smell it. It's ignited. Whether I can get oxygen to it fast enough or not, I don't know. Let's try that one more time. So it's ignited here, here, and over here in the middle. About 5 inches of cotton, 1/4 teaspoon of ash, make sure you have ash on your top and bottom boards, which I have plenty right there. And stop rolling when you smell it, or else you're going to snuff that ember out. I smell it. I should stop when I smell it. I'm gonna roll it some more. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. So, if you get a nice round piece of wood, you can pretty much guarantee when you split it, it's not going to be true enough to make rolling surfaces, but you can use those for the base and then cut your flats on the outside. I just barely cut through that bark till I got to the wood right there and right there. And that is all the rolling surface that you need, and it's good and flat, good and true. We'll catch you on the next one.